behind. So Nishant has forgot his phone. He's gone back to get his phone, and it was a nice morning. With the weather looks good. You can see a peak over there. So we're gonna head over to Chame today, and we got a new friend and member of the trek. That's another Antoine from French, who has cycled all the way from France to Nepal. Say hi.
Hey!
Yeah. Guys, just look at the view, the valley. We're leaving the Tal behind, and there's a beautiful waterfall here. And behind is the village of Tal. We're leaving behind. Sunlight is coming. As per the map and the locals, we should reach Chame today. That's 25 kilometers from here. It's a mule. Yeah, mule.
Exactly like my ex-girlfriend.
We call it, khachar in Hindi. Yeah, horse is ghoda, donkey is gadha, the hybrid is mule. That's khachar. It's used for
वो तो प्योर गधा है.
carrying the loads, heavy loads it can take.
वो तो प्योर गधा है.
कौन सा? हाँ, एक होगा उसमें से. चलो चलो, इसे सही से चलो. So there was a confusion of the trail. The trail divides here, and we're not sure which one to take. But saw the symbol going up, so we took the up. But there was one trail going down to Sumit. Went on that. We had to somehow call him, and he's coming there. And we are having our breakfast here. Then we'll continue up. And here is the valley. So guys, seems the trail we took to the up with the symbols, it was a wrong one, like it's been closed. We didn't see any prominent trails from there, so we're coming down again, and we're going to take the way which Sumit took before. So Sumit went on the right way, then he came on the wrong way with us. Again, we are going on his his way now. Yeah, let's go. It's good.
Wow. Yeah, it's really good. Be strong with your abs.
Yeah. Tighten your core.
Do you want some whiskey with it?
So guys, we have covered only 5 kilometers till now. कुछ ज़्यादा ही फोटो वोटो ले लिया, थोड़ा डाइवर्ट भी हो गए थे रास्ते से. 2-3 जगह पे रास्ता बंद था, थोड़ा टाइम वेस्ट हुआ. But it's good. It's only 10:45. We have time. So we just came only 5 kilometers. Now we are taking the road for some time until we pass this slide area. Then we'll take the trail, and we have more 18 kilometers to go to Chame today. So 6-7 kilometers to 6.57 kilometers to Dangkyu, where we're gonna stop for lunch, have our food, and then from there Chame is like 12 kilometers. So let's reach Dangkyu. So guys, we have reached Dharapani, as you can see.
We're at the end of Dharapani.
No, we just show me this. We are here.
Yeah. Dharapani
We just
checkpoint.
checkpost, and there is no bridge came, So we are here in between the bridge and the checkpost.
Because he stopped at the same checkpoint that Audrey stopped.
So this is Dharapani checkpost. You get your permit stamped here.
Listen, we get motivation. We're gonna have food. So many food.
So we're going to Tashai,
We're gonna give you some cocaine. Don't worry.
and from there we're going back to trail again. From there we'll go to Danakyu. Yeah, let's go. So guys, here is the I don't know, hanging bridge, and there is a new bridge built which goes to Tashai. From there to Danakyu. Guys, we're entering the district of Dhanuke. And we are very hungry, and I think it's a Buddhist. Place. Guys, we have reached Dhanuke. This is Dhanuke, and we're gonna have some interesting food. I mean, dal bhat. Good job. So guys, it has started raining and we have wear your rain gear, and weather is not looking good. We'll wait for some time and we'll start with our ponchos on. In Dhanuke, you have a helicopter pad. Not that one. After this gate. Yeah, after the gate. Yeah. After Dhanuke, it's a very big climb. No, we're just going up.
Yeah, south. Always south. Okay, Indonesia. Not too scared. See this mountain?
I see this mountain. It's a very snow-capped mountain.
7 p.m.
It's close in the clouds, and we have reached Timang.
Yeah.
Sex.
Istanbul is like when you are very handsome. Yeah. Not only sexy, you know, it's sexy. You think so? Wow.
Guys, if you can see, there's the helipad in Dhanuke, where we ate our lunch, and we have been walking for more than an hour, and we have reached here. It's so far. Yeah, I smell it.
You smell it?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, not up to Jagat. Yeah. 2,700 meter.
Same altitude.
Yeah.
It's gonna go down and up. This is where we have to climb, but
Guys, we're making our way towards Thanchuk. It's nearby. Then we go to Chame. That's the trail. Yeah. You're back on track again, baby.
maybe small one. I will tell you.
Is it there?
Yeah, a small one to fish.
Okay.
Yeah.
So guys, this is the village of Thanchuk, and we're not gonna stay here.
La factory of sweet-fitness.
Yeah, okay. Like in many brands. I know how it works in.
Hey guys, we have reached Koto, and Chame is like what, 10-15 minutes walk? and we are going there. Sumit is waiting for us.
Yeah. Rum. I want to smoke a cigarette.
Excuse me. When did you arrive in Nepal?
ओके गाइस हमारे साथ धोखा हो गया. हम कोटो में रुक गए एंड अभी 15 मिनट चलने के बाद hey man it's Shame yeah hey Shame we have reached Shame and our treks ends for today. Maybe we need to find the hotel where Sumit is and then
We are late by yesterday.
yeah but same time we reached 7 o'clock.
Yeah.
What is it?
The shop, just in front.
Okay.
Yeah, we can walk.
Okay. So guys, we have reached Hotel Igalai and this is gonna be our stay for tonight. Bon appetit.
Bon appetit. Bon appetit. Bon appetit.
Which beer is that? Sumit bhai, what are you drinking? Only water?
Holy water.
Nishant, you also take a sip. Take a sip.